How to remove your Gmail account from another device. Let's begin with the video. First, launch the Gmail on your device. Now tap the profile icon at the top right corner. Here tap on the Manage Your Google Account button that appears below your profile. Here swipe over and find the Security tab and click on it. Now scroll down until you see Manage All the Devices option and click on it. This will show a list of devices where your Google account is currently signed in. Find the device you want to remove your account from and select it. Then simply hit the Sign Out button and confirm your action. Once you confirm, your Google account will be successfully signed out from that device and it will no longer have the access. That's all. This is how to remove your Gmail account from another device.